Get a handle on your buzzsaw snoring with this advice. Snoring is a common problem for many people. There are many causes of snoring. Snoring may be a chronic problem or it can be a temporary condition brought on by a cold or other health issues. Whatever the cause of snoring, these tips can help put an end to snoring and give you more peaceful nights. Many people find that breathing strips are an effective and fairly affordable means of cutting down on the snoring. However, some people have expressed problems with preventing the strips from falling off during the night. Before applying the strip, use an alcohol-based toner to swab the nose and surrounding area. This will allow the adhesive strips to firmly grip the skin all night long. To reduce snoring, avoid drinking milk or eating dairy products before going to sleep. Warm milk was once thought to be a helpful remedy to drink before sleeping, however, if you snore, dairy increases mucus production. Overproduction of mucus often makes snoring much worse. By avoiding dairy before you go to sleep, you help keep your airway clear. Speak to the doctor about any prescription medications that may cause your snoring. Prescription medications can cause you to snore as a side effect. Medicines like antihistamines, painkillers, muscle relaxers, and sleeping pills tend to relax your muscles, and one consequence can be a restricted airway. Snoring is caused by restricted airways. Physical activity can help reduce or even eliminate snoring. Physical activity keeps your breathing patterns regulated, which can help to reduce snoring. The exercise is vital to the respiratory system staying in shape, however, it greatly reduces stress. Higher stress means distorted breathing and a higher chance of snoring. As previously stated, snoring can be a very common condition. Many people snore or sleep with someone who snores. There are ways to reduce or eradicate snoring. The tips from the above video can help you put an end to snoring and bring peaceful night and restful sleep back into your life. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.